Welcome to Gilbert. Have a look at this absolute masterpiece. I am so nervous about giving this car away. It is complete and utter perfection. So what do we have here? We have a 1962 Morris Mini Cooper 997cc, 55 brake horsepower, fully restored to CONCOURS condition. Done recently. It's done 300 miles since completion. Have a look at the condition of this car. It is to factory specification. As already mentioned, old English white with a black roof, tartan and gold brocade interior as it left the factory. Let's have a look at the condition of this car. I'll just pop you underneath so you can have a look. This is a definite CONCOURS winning car. You do not find 997 Mini Coopers in this condition anymore. As already mentioned, fully restored by a very well-known Mini specialist. Tartan red with gold and grey brocade interior, so you can see that. Matching door cards, matching rear seats. Obviously, all new headlining. Door cards. Original steering wheel, original speedo, so the actual car had done 94,837 miles, but as already mentioned, it's had a full restoration recently. Look at this. Oh, look at those. Look at the bumper overrides. Freshly built, rebuilt original engine, obviously with original twin SUs. 55 brake horsepower. Let's have a look at the condition of this car. It's obviously got all of its important numbers down there. Look at the inside of the bonnet. This thing is absolute perfection, and one of you is winning this. An insane opening offer of $14.99 and a maximum tickets of 1962. Unbelievable. Probably the best odds to price ratio we've ever offered on a proper connoisseur's collectible vehicle. And as always, there's a life-changing tax-free cash alternative on this car if for some reason you don't fancy Gilbert. I'll just show you, if I can, while we're on camera, the quality of the front and rear floors. Excuse me getting in the way of the camera. This car is literally absolute perfection. Just look at it. One of you is winning this. Oh, just magnificent. One of you is winning this in our live guaranteed draw on Sunday. Go take advantage of the $14.99 open offer. Maximum tickets 1962. I wish you all the luck in the world. Good luck.